Hi, welcome back to Creative Amaze Art. This is a MDF photo frame 4 into 6 inches. This has a slit on top where you can insert your photos. You can check out both these photo frames on my Etsy store, Creative Amaze at etsy.com. Let's see in detail how to make these embellishments, the roses, the heart and the beads with air dry clay. For roses, I have used silicone mold. For leaves and hearts, I have used clay modeling tool with a plunger. I used this plastic tool for making different sizes of beads. Stay tuned to my channel for my special recipe of this air dry clay. Store it in an airtight container for longer use. When you start working, take a small airtight container and portion your clay. This will prevent it from drying. For easy handling, take a plastic sheet or X-ray as I have shown here. I have taken a plastic tray to dry the sculpted roses. So let's make the roses. Take the silicone mold and apply oil. This helps in two things. 1. The clay will spread in each and every corner of the mold. 2. It will separate easily from the mold. Take a small portion of the clay and some oil and mix it well. Firmly press in the mold as shown here and remove the excess. Wow, simple yet beautiful. You can remove the excess clay on the base by scraping it up. Gently scrape it with the knife and place it in the drying tray. Repeat the process with other sizes of the rose. For the leaf and hearts, I have used cake decorating tool. This is with a plunger. Apply oil and repeat the process. Press down firmly and rotate to remove the excess clay as shown here. Do not lift it. Now press the plunger to imprint the shape. Use more clay to increase the thickness of the heart. So these are the pieces after drying up for 24 hours. Now let's start decorating the frame. Mix and match different sizes of roses to understand which placement looks better on the frame. Once you're happy with the arrangement, go ahead and use a simple white glue to stick these clay onto the frame. I wanted the rose to be a bit projected up, so I have used some clay to give it a base. Apply a coat of white acrylic paint. This will give a uniform base and enhance the color that you're going to apply on top. Wanted to fill up more hearts on the empty space, so made some more. Going with the heart theme, I have used here crimson red. Used white acrylic paint for the beads and dark green for the leaves. Used a bit more maroon color to give it a smooth finish on the hearts. I think gold will suit more for the roses. Used Asian Paint clear varnish to seal everything. Hope you like the frame. Click any of these to watch more of my videos and don't forget to subscribe.